Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet.
I got on video! Oh my god! Oh my god!
The Wubble Bubble Ball.
Okay.
It is awesome. I just got it for Christmas. Whoa!
Oh! Is that the end of it?
Hey, you can... Yep.
This guy thought he had shown up to work by himself.
Excusez-moi. Il est de retour. Je suis la lécheuse de diamants.
I'm trying to figure out what we gotta do to get me off this thing. Caleb, please stop saying we. Mommy is having an anxiety attack.
This really squishy egg doesn't even have a shell.
It's just a membrane. It's like a water balloon egg. It is just the weirdest thing.
Tell them one more time.
Mustard sucks! Worst condiment, I'm sorry.
I have never heard a dog purr before.
Ja, Jungs!
A sinkhole appeared in the middle of this golf course.
We're all fall.
Just a regular hotel room, but there's one special thing that I'd like to show you.